Since we launched the InLove workshop, people have been asking us who it's for. And honestly, it's for everyone. Because the InLove workshop is about falling in love with yourself, with life, with your family, with the people that you love, with your partners, whether you're single, dating, in a relationship, whoever you are, you're invited to the InLove workshop, and there are going to be amazing tools for you to really love and accept who you are, to love and accept the people in your life as who they are, to find real intimacy and to experience all of the joys, having solid adult tools for dealing with the challenges of relating to other people, and also really knowing who you are as a sexual being and celebrating who you are. Joining the InLove workshop, you get a community of all sorts of different kinds of people. There is so much diversity in who we are and what we want, and it's really powerful to be part of a community like that. So whoever you are, you're invited to the InLove workshop.